Hello everyone. In this video, we will see 4 different functions in MS Excel which is used to extract the contents of a cell based on the number of characters. First function is length, second one is left, third one is right, and the fourth one is mid function. Let's see each function with some examples. So the length function, basically it returns the number of characters present in the given cell, and it has just only one parameter, which is the reference of the cell. So if I give length of I2, it is returning 21 because in this cell we have 21 characters, which includes the space as well. So the length characters always include the space while counting the number of characters. So if you count the number of characters in this cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it has returned 21 as the output. Let's see one more example, which is returning the number of characters from I3, which is nothing but 7. Please remember, this is also return the number of characters and not the actual numbers present in this cell. So it has 7 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's what returned here as an output. So even if you refer the cell which contains numbers, it is still returning the number of characters in the cell with the help of length function. This is the use of length function. The next function is left. As the name indicates, the left function is used to extract the content of a cell from the left side based on the number of characters which we are giving. So it has 2 parameters. First one is the reference of the cell, second one is the number of characters and how many characters you want to extract from the given cell. Let's say I am extracting from this cell with 7 characters from the left side. So this is the first 7 characters from this cell from the left side. MY space NAME. So 7 characters has been returned here. Let's see with one more example. Here I am using the left function along with the length function. I am just extracting the content from here, and the number of characters should be length of I2 minus 4, which means 21 minus 4, because the total length of this cell is 21 minus 4. So 21 minus 4 is 17. So from left side, the first 17 characters should be returned here as an output. Length of I2 minus 4, which is 17 actually. So from this cell, first 17 characters from the left side will be returned here as an output. My space namespace is space David is what returned here. Please remember, if we count this, it is 16, but the actual data returned here is 17 because after David we have one more space available that is also returned as an output here. So totally 17 characters has been returned as an output here. The third function is right. Similar to left function, the right function is used to extract the content of the cell from the right side. Let's see with an example. Right of I2 comma 6. So I'm returning from this cell the last 6 characters. So D space John. This is the last 6 characters from this cell, and that's what returned as an output here. Let's see one more example. Right of I3 comma length of I3 minus 3. So length of I3 is 7 minus 3 4. So the last 4 characters from this cell will be returned as an output here. So 4 5 6 4. This is the use of right function. And the last function is mid. So as the name indicates, the mid function will return any characters from the middle of the given cell. And the mid character has three different parameters. The first one is the cell reference. The second one is the starting number from where you want to start to extract the content. And the third parameter is the number of characters, on how many characters you want to extract starting from this number. So let's see with an example. I'm going to extract from I2. The starting point is 9, which means from the left the ninth character will be the starting point. And I'm going to extract 5 characters from the ninth character. So mid of I2 comma 9, which is the starting point of the cell, and then I'm going to extract 5 characters from the ninth location. So the ninth location in this cell is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I is the starting point, and from I am going to extract 5 characters. So I S space D A. That should be written as an output here. See, I S space D A. So the second parameter here is nothing but the starting point from where you want to start to extract. Please remember that. Let's see one more example. Mid of I2 comma, I'm going to start from the fourth character, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. So this N should be the starting point, and I'm going to extract length of I2, which is nothing but 21 characters. Length of I2. So from 4, it has to extract 21 characters from this side. However, we don't have 21 characters present here because the entire cell has the character limit as 21. So by using this formula, if it is exceeding the number of characters, whatever given in the third parameter, it will end up with whatever we are having in the cell. So here, instead of 21 characters, it has reached the end of the cell, and then it has returned the same value. As per the formula, it has to return starting from the fourth character, it has to return 21 characters. However, we don't have 21 characters starting from the fourth start point. So it has reached the end, which is nothing but 18 or 19 characters, and it has returned the value. Whatever content is exceeding the number of characters, it will stop with the last character, and it will show that as an output here. I hope it is understand. So the length character, even though the length is 21 characters, and we don't have 21 characters after this N, it is reaching this end of this cell, and it is returning this value. So this is the use of mid function, and all these functions are very useful to extract some content from the cell based on the criteria whatever we are preferring. I hope this video is useful. If so, please comment and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch and learn the whatever videos I am uploading for Excel functions. Thanks for watching.